Welcome to BNQ Mining Process and Invitation Rewards, where mining becomes sustainable, powerful, and profitable. BNQ Mining has multiple rewards stored for its KOLs and users, a single hub with many earning opportunities. With our exclusive BNQ Mining Invitation Rewards, you can now earn. Receive a free mining machine. Invite 5 active miners as an ordinary miner. Upgrade to Node Pool bonus. Enjoy one-time 100 USDT reward upon upgrading. Node Miner referral bonus, get 2 USDT per mining machine purchased by invitees, 5 USDT additional hash rate on first mining machine purchase, making total 10 USDT free hash rate. Hive Pool Miner invite bonus, 5 new miners equals 1 mining machine reward. And that's not all. With the BNQ mining VIP levels, each level brings you upgraded rewards and more opportunities. If you want to join in, then follow these instructions. To get started, you need USTD. Mine today and earn daily passive income. The first step is mining machine purchase. Use your funds to buy 1 mining machine worth 10 USDT. This is your start to mining BNQ. Next, with your remaining funds, buy and burn BNQ tokens to purchase hash rate. Remember, more hash rate equals more BNQ mined. Now, it is important to note that each machine supports approximately 200 USDT worth of hash rate, meaning you can burn approximately 200 USDT worth BNQ per machine. Burning 200 USDT worth of BNQ runs your mining machine at full capacity. At full capacity, recover your cost in just 4 to 6 months. Your daily BNQ output equals your hash rate divided by total network. Hash rate times daily mining output. Clear, transparent, and fair for every miner. Mining begins in just 24 hours after activation following a T+1 model. BNQs are distributed daily at 100 hours UTC. Here's the best part, your mining never stops. Both mining machines and hash rate are permanent mined indefinitely. Earn continuously. Enjoy exclusive miner benefits as well. 20% hash rate commission from direct referrals, 5% hash rate commission from indirect referrals, 4 USDT reward for every miner you invite. Ready to level up? Upgrade to Node Mining Pool, inviting 5 miners each burning 100 USDT worth BNQ each, having a total of 20 mining machines, owning at least 5 of those machines. Want to take it even further? Upgrade to Hive Pool and Super Pool mining for bigger rewards, 2% and 3% of total pool. BNQ rewards 0.5% of hash rate from their pool, plus 2 USDT for every referred mining machine. BNQ Mining, building a global community with endless earning opportunities. Start mining today with BitNasdaq. Earn BNQ tokens daily. It's time to mine your own currency.